Hey, Dan Williams here. I've been working on this series of reverse mortgages, but I wanted to share something a little bit different in the history of reverse mortgages for you. Interesting story about how they started in 1961. A local high school football coach passed away, and a local banker wanted to help the widow access all the equity in the home while allowing her to stay in the home. Hence, the reverse mortgage started it. That's the way it started, and it wasn't until 1983 that the Federal Housing Administration, FHA, as you may know them, officially insured reverse mortgages. The thought at first was similar to that first one in Portland, Maine, to help those retiring alleviate spending and cost worries and be able to access their equity in their home to allow them to live more comfortably. Through the 80s and 90s, reverse mortgages would take more shape of where they're at today. And in 1987, Congress established the Heckham Bill, which introduced government insured loans. Remember, the FHA doesn't issue the loan, they insure them. In 1994, Congress began requiring lenders to disclose cost and details about the loan so the borrowers, the homeowners, could shop them a little bit more efficiently. And in 1998, Congress allotted funds for reverse mortgage counseling, which is now required for every borrower to help protect them. Into the 2000s, things got a little bit more complicated. And as you know, the 2008 crash happened. Many more rules were set into place at that time. And from 2010 until really today, reverse mortgages are a much more safer, viable option. Costs have come down than they were 20 years ago. So if you're considering a reverse mortgage to pay off debts that may have crept into your retirement plan or being hit by inflation, this may be a product that could help alleviate those pains. Once again, Dan Williams here. Just happy to shed the light on kind of the quick history of the reverse mortgage. They've only been around really for 60 years, and almost you could say really only about 40 years since the Heckham Bill was introduced. If there's anything I can do for you in the future, please let me know. Dan Williams here, certified reverse mortgage professional.